Hey guys, it's Vegas here. Wanted to show you how to redeem these fun myVEGAS advisor links here. Now you can go ahead and go straight to the website myvegasadvisor.com. I'll put a link in the description box below, and you'll be able to get some extra free coins. And I'm going to show you how to redeem those step by step. Now keep in mind there are two things that you need. Number one, you need to do this on a desktop computer, whether that be a Mac or a Windows PC. And number two, if you really have to play on mobile, you need to use Photon Flash Player or a similar player that will allow you to use Flash on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and get this going. Step one, open your web browser. Step two, go to myvegasadvisor.com. I'll put a link in the description box below with the exact link to get to the free chips, and I'll go ahead and link it in the comment section too. Now your step three, you want to navigate to the Facebook chips here, and then you click on the date for the day, and voila, simple as that, you have free chips. Now if you want to go ahead and collect it more efficiently, you can click the control button on your keyboard, press and hold that, and then click the dates. It will open each link in a new tab without getting away from the main link. So then you can collect chips en masse. Simple as that. Started with 33,652,000 chips. Ended with 33,892,000 chips. No hack required. There you go. Happy spinning, guys.